In life, there will always be a moment when every person gets knocked down. Because life is not always easy, and sometimes life pushes us very hard. And in those moments, we feel like falling to the ground with no strength to stand again. Some people, when they are knocked down, they stay down, and they do not try to rise. And instead of searching for a way to improve, they search for someone or something to blame, because it is easier to say, "It was not my fault," than to look inside and accept the truth. These people who stay down tell themselves stories. They give themselves reasons. They explain to their heart why they stopped. And slowly they begin to believe that stopping is the only choice they have. But the truth is that this is not the only choice. On the other side, there are people who also get knocked down, because everyone in life faces pain and failure. But these people decide to stand up. These people decide to not stay down forever. And that is why they become stronger. The winners are not people who never fall, because everybody falls, but the winners are people who accept that they fell, and they accept the moment, and they do not hide from it, and they do not deny it. Winners take responsibility, because they know that when you take responsibility, you also take control. And when you take control, you can choose to stand again and move forward. When a winner is knocked down, he or she looks at the pain and says, "I will learn from this." And they do not only say the words, but they also study the mistake. They also think deeply about what happened, and they use the lesson to become wiser. Every fall is a teacher, and every failure is a book full of knowledge. And when a person reads that book carefully, they grow, and they discover new strength inside themselves. And this growth makes them ready for the next challenge. Winners grow from the hard times. Winners grow from the heavy moments. Winners grow from the problems that made them cry. Because instead of staying broken, they use the pieces to build something even stronger. And after all of this, the most powerful part is that the winners always find a way to stand up again, no matter how painful it was, no matter how heavy it felt, no matter how long it took. They stand and they rise, and they continue walking. So when life pushes you down, remember that you have two choices. You can stay on the ground and give yourself reasons why you stopped, or you can stand tall and tell yourself that you will not stay down. If you choose to learn, if you choose to grow, if you choose to rise, then nothing in life can hold you forever, because you will always find your way back up.